Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video we are going to do an unboxing of this MIVI soundbar. The model is a Ford R120 soundbar and it is a 120 watt soundbar, guys. Actually in previous video we have did an unboxing video only of this MIVI soundbar, but the previous soundbar is Ford AC80 80 watt soundbar, and this is a Ford R120. This is a 120 watt soundbar, guys. Okay guys, let's come on, we will do this unboxing now. Actually, guys, you can purchase this soundbar in Zepto, Chroma, and all. It is available in Zepto. The price is around 4,729 rupees. This maybe soundbar you can purchase in that site also. And okay, guys, let's come on. Now it's now time to do the unboxing. Taking this sticker tape out first. Actually guys, I'm not using a camera stand for this because I cannot able to cover the entire soundbar in this single frame of this mobile camera. So only just I'm taking this video through my hand itself, so it will bit shaky. So only I'm saying, okay. Okay guys, here's the soundbar. Just open this box. Yeah, okay, you can see here's the card, remote, and here's the soundbar. Okay, let's come on. Okay guys, let's come on, take this out first. And before taking this soundbar, let's see what are all the things they have given inside this. Actually, I've taken this box from here. Let's check what it contains inside. And here you can see here's the cable. Actually, it's cable. And here's the power adapter for this soundbar. Okay, let's keep this aside and now take this. Let's see what all they are given. So there is a safety instruction guide and all. Here's the remote controls. Okay, it seems it's just like a user manual. You can see different kinds of mode they have given and all. You can use this manual, guys, if you don't know how to use this soundbar means. And here's the same thing, we need to register a warranty. We can register the warranty through this WhatsApp mobile number also. Okay, let's keep this aside. And here you can see, guys, there is the mobile remote, sorry, this soundbar remote. Just take this out. See, here's the remote. Different kinds of modes were there, and this remote can operate this soundbar through this remote itself also. And okay guys, let's come on. It's now time to take this soundbar out from this box. Yeah, actually it's a bit heavy. Okay, here you can see, guys. Yeah, see guys, it's a bit heavy, guys, when compared to that 80 watt soundbar. Yes, I'm going to take this out first. Yeah, I've checked. Here you can see, guys, here's the MIVI branding logo, and it contains 2 subwoofer also, I think, inside this soundbar itself. And here's the 2 stands, and let's see whether we can able to wall mount. Yeah, here you can see, here they are given we can able to do the wall mount also. And here you can see in another side also they are given. Okay, and here you can see here's the HDMI TV port, coaxial aux, USB, DC 20 watt, it's a power source. And here's the buttons they are given in top side. Actually, here you can see plus minus power button and all is there. It's good. Okay, and guys, design is also good, guys. Design is also very superb. Actually, here you can see the design is very good. You can see guys, the design is also very good. Shows in this, you can see in this edge there is kind of the steel kind of finish. You can see the design is here, this side, and the another side the same thing, steel finish. Okay, it's good actually, no issues in this. And Okay guys, let's come on. We can connect this sound bar with this power adapter cable. Let's come on. It's now time to remove this. Yeah, checking this out. Okay, let's we will connect this backside of this sound bar. Yeah, I've connected, and it's now time to give a power to the sound bar. Now I'm going to turn on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
You can see it's good. The power is on and it is in Bluetooth mode, guys. It's good. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're having any queries or doubts, just ask in blog comment section, guys. I will reply as soon as possible. And okay guys, bye. I will see you in next video, guys.